Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove yourself from tag photo on Facebook. Have you been tagging photo on Facebook that you don't like or don't want to see? First, open the Facebook app, go to your profile, and then tap on the photo you are tagged in. Once the photo is open, look for the three dots on the top right corner. From the menu, tap remove tag. Facebook may ask you to confirm, tap OK, and your name will be removed from the photo. The photo will stay on Facebook but no longer appear on your profile, and people won't see your name tagged in it. This is the proper way to remove tag. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.